Here's my LED lighter wrap. Let's see what's inside the bag.
就看到了。
Since all these accessories are separated, so I think I need to install them first. It has pretty clear instruction on the instruction sheet, so I just need to follow what it says and see if it's easy to install them together. Since it has pretty clear pictures and also the instruction words here, so it's not hard to put them together. And also the process of making this is kind of funny. Let's see that how it works after it was installed. Here it is. Let's try how the light works. We can use the remote controller to control the different mood of the light, such as changing the color temperature or changing the brightness of the color. So it's kind of easy to control, and also for now it works really well for me. We can change it a little bit warmer or colder. Also, it had different color plastic sheet inside, so it gives me more opportunity to change the color and to change the final mood of my pictures. I really like this product so far.
Hey everybody, I wanted to make a little video to show you the really cool lighting equipment that I got on Amazon. This setup is just what I've been looking for. It's number one, it came really fast, so I'm kind of impatient, and I ordered it on Friday. It arrived on my doorstep on Sunday. I was really super happy about that. The lighting setup is softbox and gels. So what I really like about this is that you can create those cool neon looks, and you can also get some nice soft light on your subject. So depending on what type of portrait session you're shooting, it's really versatile, and I like that. I needed that in a product. I don't want to have 5,000 things in my studio because it's not that big. So here's what I got. It came in this cool carrying case, so it's portable. I can take it with me if I do an on-site shoot. I'm able to pack it up in this little tiny thing and throw it right in the back of my car. I got a softbox set up. There's actually two of these. Comes with two poles, which are super easy to put together. They're adjustable in height, and the heads swivel up and down. And then I also got the gels. I have the red one on there. I'm kind of obsessed with the red one right now because it's almost Valentine's Day. The thing that I also like about these is that, let's see if I can drop it down here. It's kind of hard to do this with just one hand. Okay, here we go. You can see that it's also adjustable in brightness. So I can make this super bright if I want a lot of light on my subject, or I can make it softer if I need to tone it down a little bit. And you can also remove these gels fairly easily. And then you can adjust the warmth from 3200 Kelvin up to 5600 Kelvin, so you can cool it down or warm it up. Again, depending on the look that you're going for. For the softbox, same thing. I can warm this up or cool it down depending on the look that I'm going for. It did not come with batteries. It does have the option to buy batteries. So if you wanted to have a setup where you didn't need to plug in, you could get batteries. I'm okay with plugging it in because, like I said, it's in my in-home studio. The gels, there's 2 sets of these. So there's yellow and there's blue. And my current Valentine's Day obsession is the red one. Oops, I didn't peel the... they do come with protective coating on them so they don't get scratched in transit. Again, the poles are adjustable in height, and the head swivels as well. So you can change your angle, can bounce light off the ceiling. There's all kinds of things you can do with this. I love the versatility. The big important part to me is that it was really budget friendly. I feel like I got a lot of value for what I paid. I got kind of a 3-in-1 setup, and I can do all kinds of things with this. So I'm really happy with my purchase, and I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for something similar. Thanks a bunch, guys, for listening to my video.